Welcome to the Flower Chef Routines. I'm the Flower Chef Carly, and today we are going to make some flower jewelry for summer. So it's gonna be so cool, or if you're going to a festival or birthday party and you wanna kind of dazzle up your outfit, you can do this. Okay, so I'm gonna start with kind of leftover scraps that I had from our spring wreath video. If you don't have scraps, you can get the flowers from your backyard. If you're at the store or whatever, you can use whatever you have on hand. And then I grabbed these two tiny succulents. They're so cute. First things first, I am going to start with some twine. I have this grapevine wire twine and then regular twine with wire. You can use whatever you have on hand. This is just a little bit thicker and sturdier. You can buy this on Amazon, a craft store, anywhere. It's very accessible. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little anklet because I think that's so cool and it's a little bit different than all of the flower crowns. So I'm going to take the wire, measure it around my ankle, my foot on the counter, and just take my scissors and cut it. It's a little tough. There we go. Okay, so I have my little anklet, do a little loop. I just looped it around, and then I'll take the other end to make it adjustable. Alrighty, now I'm going to just secure the flowers on. So I'm taking my other twine, and just like we did with making flower crowns, wreaths, it's all using the same mechanics. I'm going to gather a little bunch of flowers. So this is a tiny little posy. I'm going to secure it. You want to secure it really close to the top of the blooms so it stays. And then I think I'll add on the succulent because why not? I'm going to just take it out of the container. The neat thing about succulents is they regenerate. So if you take the little petal and put it in soil, it should grow a new one. So I'm going to take the succulent. Now normally if this was for like a boutonniere or wedding, I would wire it, but for this we can just kind of plop it on there. I'm going to use some of this extra status or baby's breath. I had this left over too, just to have the succulent rest on something and keep it a little bit sturdier. Now this will last a few days out of water. I mean, I've had succulents last a month out of water, so you just never know. Let me add a little bit towards the bottom just for consistency. This is the Gypsy, a little bright pink. Spruce that up. I think I'm gonna rock it all day long. People will wanna know where I got it and I'll say I made it. If anything is hanging, you can just clip it off. So let's try it on. Here we go again. It's a good thing I did yoga this morning. Oh, this is so cool. All right, you can adjust it. And here we go. Flower anklet. Woo!